To use Microsoft Authenticator app. So if you need to choose Microsoft Authenticator app, first you need to install it in your mobile devices. So just click or search Google Play and type Microsoft Authenticator. Then after installing it in your phone, you need to open up and tap Add Account icon, the plus icon there. Choose the account type, work or school account, personal account or other for non-MyScrub account. Next, scan the QR code or enter code manually. When setting up a 2FA on a website or service like Microsoft 365, Google or others, you'll see a QR code. Use the app's built-in scanner to scan the QR code or enter the setup key manually. Fourth is verify setup. So the app will start generating 6 codes that change every 30 seconds. Use one of these codes to verify the setup on the website or app where you enable 2FA. So that's pretty much into how to use Microsoft Authenticator. Thank you.